So what we got here is the Mini Cooper Countryman 2022, now installed with the Ghost Immobiliser system. So if a thief copies or clones your key, they will not be able to drive away with your vehicle if they try and start it. As you can see, it will not turn on. The car is fully immobilized. So what you got to do when you get in the vehicle, you need to enter your code. So 1 2 3 4, 2 indicator flashes, and now I can start the vehicle up as normal. So yeah, if you want the Ghost system installed to protect your vehicle from being stolen, it is a custom pin code system, so you can make any combination of buttons you want to use to make it your own pin code, and that allows you to disarm the system. So if you want this installed on yours, give us a shout. See the link down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.